Change the brake pads now. Sports package, Mercedes. Tune in until next week. Ain't that right, boys? Boogers. Booger boys. The right rotors. Just took these off. It's a 18 millimeter. You gotta take this little star off. It's gonna be a T30. This is the part numbers. These are the parts that I got. You know how we coming. 3 things that hold the brake. You gotta unscrew the bleeder and then press down on the piston so that you'll be able to make clearance when it's time to put the brake pad back in. Make sure you tighten this back up and then bleed it. Purge the air out when you go to put everything back together. The rod goes over the metal bracket. The bracket stays on bottom, holds everything in, comes in through here, and good to go. This is the passenger side. As you can see, it's a little different. Not as different, just this little cable. Poke something through, pop this off. This pin just slides out, and then you unhook this like so. Boom. And then it's new, and then you're done. This is essentially everything that you will need. I'll have it in the description. 18 T30s, 17. But that's about it. And a jack, of course, and a rod to take out what's holding the brakes in place. That's it.